Hi, I'm Kristy Hutchinson and I'm one of the New South Wales construction sales reps. We're here today at Royal Randwick Racecourse where Taylor Constructions are building a stand called the Winx. Foran Industries, who are behind me, have chosen to purchase and install a StormBrixx SD infiltration tank, which will carry the water from the stand into the tank and then release back slowly into the environment. One of the key reasons why Foran Industries have chosen ACO SD is for the ease and speed of installation in comparison to other suppliers on the market. This is a 2-layer tank, which is a 267 cubic meter tank. And as you can see, it's got the geotextile on the side, which they will wrap and tape down at the end and backfill. ACO StormBrixx has a 97% void ratio, which minimizes the excavation on site. Another key feature of ACO StormBrixx is the cross-bonding method, which holds and stabilizes the tank together. Thank you for joining me today. If you want to know anything more about ACO StormBrixx, please head to our website or call us on the number below.